Hello and namaste everyone. Today I am here to say about the game which is Sikkim Bet. You can bet and win the money. So you can see here so many games like sports, live, e-game, sports, fishing, animal, like so many games. But I want to play live game. So just click in live. So you can see here 7 live casinos like such as e-casino, easy gaming, micro gaming, evolution gaming, playtech, Venus casino, and hotel SA gaming. But I want to play evolution gaming, so let's start. So like this, it's coming. So we have to wait for few seconds. So that's why it's open. So in every live casino there are so many games, so excited games you can play. And here also you can see so many games like top games, roulette, baccarat, tiger, sick bow, blackjack game. So but I want to play roulette and I will teach you how to play the roulette. Okay, then here you can see this is the top games of roulette, so you can play any roulette game. It's so excited you can play. So I am going to teach how to play lightning roulette. It's easy, but let's see. So here is the lightning roulette. Now it's game going on, so it's not gone. Now here you can place your bet. So in roulette gaming, there are some rules. In roulette, there of course there will be ball, and that ball spins whichever number or color it lands. It's the winning one. So you have to just do your best. So here you can bet this number, it's betting place, so you can bet any number. Like if you bet like one only one number, just like three, just one number you bet, then you can win 29 times more than you bet. So it's good. So I will show you how to bet. First, I will bet one. I will bet this everything. This is called dozen bet. I will get only 2 times more because here is so many chances, so many numbers. So it's okay. At least I can win if my number came. Let's see. Hope to to be good. So this is the lucky number. You can see you can get 300 times more if you get zero. So oh, I lose because I bet like 1 to 10, 12 number. So again I will bet like single number like 3, 17, 29. You can bet so many. It's no problem, you can bet. I will bet this corner also. So let's see. Hope to good. Okay, then I want to say something that if you bet this one number, you get 29 times more. Okay, because it's only one number and there is less chances to get exact that number, so it's difficult. But if it's go to that number, then you can win 29 times. See, I again 24. I can lose. So like this you can bet, like you can bet like even number, okay, but it will get only one times. If you bet 20 in even, then you can get only 40 because there is so many chances to win. More than 80%, if any even number came, then you will win. So it's not high, so it's giving only one time more. So let's see, if even number came, then I will won 40. Hope to good. So, mm, oh, zero. You see, I again lose because zero is not even, not odd also. So, like this, you can play. Like this two split. This is split betting. If you this two, then there is also chances to get more because it's also only two number. It's not confirmed that that number will come. So in split like this, you can get 17 times more. So excited. But because no chances to get same that number. So yeah, I win. You see, 360. Oh my goodness. So it's so excited you can play. So if you want more rules, more to know about roulette and details, you can go to help and you can see so here everything like never bets, how to pay out like this straight up. If one number you can get 29 times more. Split means that I saw. So just play and win money. It's easy, only sitting in room and playing. So excited. So let's play and win. I i will wait for your result. Thank you so much for watching this video and play the Sikkim blade, and please share to your friends also. Thank you.